We're here at Chester Zoo for Lanterns and Light. Lanterns and Light is Chester Zoo's Christmas light trail. Unlike other light trails, this one is unique with a heavy feature of animals with interactions with the lanterns all throughout the trail.
We're going to see fire, lights, and we also get to see the big man.
Oh, well that's quite something, isn't it?
It's been a few years since we visited Chester Zoo.
It has, we've not been for a while.
Yep.
I'm excited to see what's new.
That's it, so let's go inside and check out what 2024 Lanterns at Chester Zoo has to offer. One of the good things about Chester Zoo is it's not just a light trail, it has, well, basically animals involved, doesn't it?
Yeah, lantern animals.
Yes, if you are thinking about coming here to be able to see actual animals, you can't do that here.
Not on the trail itself.
No, but it is available during the day, but it's a separate ticket event, isn't it? Emperor penguin? How do you know it's Emperor penguin?
Because they're the biggest penguins.
They do have rides here before you get onto the trail at the beginning part of Chester Zoo. So you've got Helter Skelter, you've got a carousel, very similar to some of the stuff we saw at Dunamasi yesterday. And to be fair, it makes sense.
It's the same company as My Christmas Trails that runs this event now.
Yes, so My Christmas Trail is run by Sony Music, so they can kind of do loads of different ones all up and down the country, don't they?
And we've done quite a few, and they are the best light trails.
Yeah, to be fair, I'm excited for this because they do a good job at Chester Zoo anyway. But with them, I think the actual light aspect of it, as well as the lanterns, it's going to level it up. They've also got some stands here, so they've got pizza, they've got a bratwurst stand, and they've also got a popcorn and candy floss stand as well. Again, all before you start going into the trail. You've got bratwurst, you've got pizza, you've got popcorn.
So we have got all these foods, but there's usually food halfway around. So shall we wait and see? Because we can always get something at the end if it's not there. Yeah, I really want a hog roast.
Let's head in and start the trail.
I'm so excited to see what they've changed it to. You?
Yeah. The rain is starting to set in now. Oh dear. Oh dear. We did actually book this yesterday and we did check the weather and it did say there is a potential that it could rain. So we took our chances, we're expecting it to be a little bit drizzly, but it's not going to spoil the fun.
No, it's not. Hoods up, warm coats on, we've got this.
Oh, I think it was more.
Go on, go closer. Look, bounty, look. See?
Oh! Oh!
There we go.
Actually! He nearly followed us for the entire trip then.
No. So as the name suggests, there are lights, but there are also lanterns.
And the lanterns are so cool. So you've got the lanterns that are stationary, big, massive lanterns. And then we've also got the lanterns that are like puppeteered. And they're the best interactions. Did you love that?
I think my favourite was the baby one.
The baby one.
First one.
Yeah.
He was adorable.
Guys, this is your first time on the trail. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I haven't introduced you, so if you don't already know, David is Zoe with us.
Hey!
The first time on the trail here at Chester. What do you think so far?
Good. Yeah, really good.
Yeah. It's got a bit of a twist on it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
That's what I like about this one. Right next to the first kind of full light installation, which is these trees, you also have a little food and drink stand there. So they've got like hot chocolates, they've got mulled wine, stuff like that. So that's available throughout the trail. And we believe in previous years there used to be a big kind of food court midway through. So that might be here this time, but we're not entirely sure because it has been a few years. Lanterns and Light is available from the 15th of November all the way through until the 1st of January. And it's roughly around about 4:30 until 8 o'clock. So we select days of the week. So make sure you go to the website to check it out. And prices start from as little as £12 a person. So although it is starting from £12, it is variable pricing, and that goes all the way up to £24 for the adult. So I'm just going to leave it up there in terms of the different prices. And again, if you want more information, the link to the website is down in the description. Another good thing to take into consideration here at Chester Zoo is the accessibility, because with it being the zoo, it's accessible for wheelchairs.
It's literally paved the whole way around.
Yeah, there's a few kind of hills you've got to go up, but nothing that's too hard for wheelchairs. So good thing to keep in mind if you are wanting to do a light trail, this is a good one for accessibility purposes.
That looks like a big I don't know what he's doing.
He's scratching it.
Taking all the bugs off you, mate. You've got loads of bugs on
I got scratched.
Yeah.
And then I got sniffed. And then he thought I was disgusting and ran away.
We're now reaching the point where we get to the Lanterns Food Village. So we're guessing this is around about halfway through, but again, we're not entirely sure. It seems a little bit of a different route compared to what we're used to, so it's going to be interesting. But looks like there's plenty of options here. The Christmas. Did you watch that? There's always room for crumble. Always room for crumble, isn't there? Zoe.
It's been a food-heavy day.
There is always room for crumble. Little light, bubble light ones.
Are they the small bubbles that look like snow?
No, they're just bubbles.
No, they're just bubbles, yeah.
But my question is, will there be snow? Look, they've got a Wild Explorer VR experience. Like a pop-up, that's cool. So it's £6.50 each or £2 for 11 quid.
They've definitely put the village in a different place this year because they put it where the actual food court is.
Oh yeah. Another good thing about being here, seating.
Yeah.
Indoor seating.
Yeah, instead of having to try and balance everything.
Yeah, so if it is raining, you need to take a bit of shelter. It's June's food court that's in here. Tons of seats inside there. You know what, I think's always right. I think we are too full for crumble. I did it anyway. What I will say about the crumble is it is a massive portion, like half the size of your head portion. But the ratio's slightly wrong. So about 2/3 filling, probably more, about 3/4 filling, and then a little bit of crumble, and then just chopped ever slightly on the edges with the custard. So there's quite a bit left. Still good, but could have been better.
I've gone for a pepperoni pizza.
You've gone for a pepperoni pizza? It looks like a yummy pepperoni pizza. It took 1.5 minutes to cook it, didn't it? Super speedy.
Right, so we're all finished with the food. Ollie, how was the pizza?
Good.
Good. Yeah,
Good.
the entire thing, so I'm going to say it was good.
Yeah, and now we're heading into the second half of the trail. This trail is fire.
You're going to say that every trail you take.
every trail.
Oh, it's snowing. It looks so cool. And I think I can see Father Christmas.
We're now at the point of the trail where we get to meet Santa Claus. He's got quite the setup here. Santa for Christmas. Which you'd expect, you know, no expenses spared for the big man. He comes bringing snow.
Hello, you. Merry Christmas. How are you doing? All right? Good. Are you having fun? Lovely. Do you feel like there are enough people filming you at the moment? Are you a celebrity? Are you one of those YouTubers I keep hearing about? Yeah. What kind of YouTuber are you? You video your trips.
Yeah, we go travelling.
You go travelling, so tell me somewhere you've been. You've been to Tokyo. What did you think of Tokyo? What was your favourite thing about Tokyo? Disney in Tokyo. I love Tokyo. It's quite something, isn't it? It's quite special. To the North Pole. Oh, well, that's quite something, isn't it? Eh? Oh, the North Pole, happiest place on Earth. I think the North Pole. Oh yeah, well you're going to come and see me then when you come to the North Pole. You must pop in. Don't come to the North Pole and not drop in and say hello, will you?
There you go. Personal invitation.
Personal invitation to come see him in the North Pole.
Yeah? That must be so... Yeah?
He's gonna see me.
Yeah? Cannot come to a light trail.
And not have a light tunnel.
There it is. Still haven't learned our lessons to bring our own marshmallows.
We even said we were going to bring them as well. We forgot, didn't we?
Now coming close to the end of the trail. Got one more lanterns to see and some lights.
Oh, there's red pandas.
He's getting my heart.
That is the end of Lanterns and Lights.
That was the best year yet we've had here.
Yeah, I think the introduction of more lights has definitely made it a better trail, wouldn't
Yeah,
you think?
for sure. There's a few less lanterns,
Yeah.
but the lights more than make up for it,
Yeah.
and you still get the interactive lanterns, which is just awesome.
Yeah, definitely one to add to your bucket list for Christmas. Until next time,
We'll see you on the next adventure.
catch you later.
Bye.